Hi.
This is what we woke up to.
This is crazy outside.
Of our window, which is
It's London. It's thundering and lightning and raining in Scranton, Pennsylvania. It's crazy.
The streets is even flooded.
You can barely see
You can barely see what's going on outside
because the windows is like
it's
rainy
as heck, but
and
there's lightning city outside.
yeah.
The sky has just opened up.
The sky just like
look at that.
really opened up.
Literally opened up. I'll just put it this close to the
It's
window.
blowing trash cans everywhere.
You see the flashing lights.
I don't know if y'all can really see.
Woke up to that. Loud noise. Don't know what in Sam Hill is going on here. But this is ridiculous. How are you supposed to sleep through this? Loud ruckus. The loud ruckus. It's just, it's sorry, it's so dark. Sorry, it's so dark. Please forgive the quality. It's just...
Sorry, y'all. It's so dark.
But you see the
Y'all can't really see.
It's
Y'all can see the lightning
flashing.
and raining on the window.
What time is it?
It is.
I don't even know what time it is. Like 1 or 2 o'clock a.m. Something like that,
I think so.
And this is happening right about now. It jumped out of the bed.
Yeah.
And you see the flash. It's a major flash. Flash here, flash there, flash, flash, flash. Trash cans flying across the street.
Hold on, let me see what.
Okay.
Still can't see out the window.
And all I know is that everybody, they were talking about the heavy storm and everything that was going on. So all I know is that it's a... Okay.
Flashlight still don't work.
Yours don't work?
No.
The windows have cracked. Oh shit. Okay. I'm brave. I'm being brave, everybody.